Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make apps fill the whole 4.3 main screen on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and here we have those bars. We don't want them. So what are we going to do to fix it? Is we're going to open up settings. From here, we want to go to display. And once you're in the display, you have to scroll down and go to aspect ratio. Now, as you guys can see, you can choose 16:9 here or full screen here. Sorry, not choose, but you can see the previews of how it works. This is the 16:9 with the bars. This is the full screen. Now we want to go to the Chrome, and here we can use the app default, but we're going to switch to full screen. Now we can open our Chrome back, and as you guys can see, it's fully filling our screen. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.